May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 12. I'm appearing on behalf of respondents 7 and 11, my lord.
For the petition, your lordship.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 6, and I'm yet to receive a copy of the affidavit filed by the petitioner.
We'll give it to them. It was an RTI. I'll give it to them.
2017 matter.
Otherwise, we are ready, my lord. It's a one-page
The
affidavit.
conducting counsel Pinong praise and dispose, your lordship.
Oh, you have sought for time.
Yes, your lordship. If this matter may come up next week, your lordship.
You are respondent?
Number 6.
Who are you?
RTB Sangma.
He's the expert member of the.
Oh, that. Accommodation is sought for by the respondent number
7 and 11, your lordship.
7 and
11.
11 on the ground of personal difficulty of the conducting counsel, manner conducting counsel. The same not being objected to by the petitioner. Pray aloud. This is matter after 1 week.
2 weeks, your lordship. 2 weeks. We need some time to go through the affidavit.
It's a one-page affidavit.
2 weeks, your lordship.
2 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
Similar prayer for item number 17 as well, your lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of respondent 4, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship? This private respondent is always taking time continuously. It should be some break of it.
What is the matter above? What is the matter above?
It is the Nokma dispute of Nokma. Continuously taking time, my lord. It may be given 2 week time and as a fixed item in the next date. Continuously, my lord, as per record.
So why are you seeking for time continuously? You should give him his due. So how long?
2 weeks, your lordship.
You are for respondent?
Respondent 4.
Oh, who's respondent for? Private.
Private.
Respondent. Premier Badi, respondent number 4. Not objected to a petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks. Be sure, written. You know, dispose of. Whatever can be disposed of.
Yes, my lord. Much obliged.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
13.
13, your lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation, your lordship, in this matter.
On premier by petitioner, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Connected item 14, your lordship. It's connected matter.
13 and 14 is connected, my lord.
Connected?
Yes, your lordship.
See what?
My lord, I beg to mention item number 15, my lord.
My lord, in the item number 15, I am the petitioner. On the last date, while I was apprising my lord that this is a petition claiming for an equal work for equal wages, my lord. In that time, my lord, I have also mentioned that we retired at the age of 58 in accordance with the service rules applicable to the permanent members, my lord. To that effect, my lord, there is a order that has been passed by the corporation, my lord. My lord, I like to bring that on record by way of an affidavit, my lord, because otherwise then my statement is not backed by a document, my lord. So,
My lord, I am also directed to pray for time today, my lord, for adjournment by my colleague. So, my lord, my friend also wants to bring that affidavit, my lord. So, my lord, on a joint prayer, this matter can be adjourned for the day, my lord. No, he wants to find affidavits.
There are counsel for the petitioner has sought for some time and has made a prayer for filing of a relevant document relating to the case in hand, the same to be filed by way of an affidavit. the prayer not be objected to by respondent, same is allowed. That the said affidavit be filed, and if with advance copy to the respondent, who shall file a response or rejoinder to the same, if so advise. This is matter to 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
My lord, 3 weeks, my lord. If my friend, if required, my lord, I will file within that time period, my lord. 3 weeks may be given.
3 weeks.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. Lordship, I pray that this matter come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
No objection, Your Lordship.
On pray made by the petitioner, this is matter to 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here I pray for 2 weeks' time as we are supposed to file the written synopsis of the argument.
My lord, they wanted to file in reply to our reply, my lord. That is, they wanted to bring their record.
On pray made by how long, Miss?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
We will supply, my lord.
You have not. Have you supplied copy to him?
We will supply, my lord. We have an extra copy. We'll give to the other party, my lord.
We have not received.
We will provide, my lord.
Okay. On pray made by the respondent number 1, seeking time to file the argument. The same as now. This is matter up to
2 weeks,
2
Lordship.
weeks.
Much obliged. May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in item number 4, the state has already filed their written argument, Your Lordship.
You are seeking for time or what?
Yes, Your Lordship. Because they are yet to file their written argument. We have already filed today itself, Your
So
Lordship.
you are seeking for time to give them time to
No,
file
Your
an argument?
I'm mentioning, Your Lordship. Can be heard on the next date, Your Lordship, if time can be given.
You have not filed yours.
Your Lordship.
So you wanted time to file. Are you ready? Are you ready to file it today?
I have limited instructions, Your Lordship. I would pray for accommodation, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
I have limited instruction. I will pray for time, Your Lordship.
So you're not praying for time.
I'll be praying for time, Your Lordship.
On pray made by the parties, list is matter to 1 week.
Obliged, Lordship.
On supplement cause list, item number 1.
Well, this is also a bail matter in connection with the same FIR, and I was arrested on the same day, on 26th June. my
Same
lord.
FIR.
Yeah, that my lord has passed an order. These are the orders, my lord.
You have not even apprised the court of what is the matter
No,
about. You have
I'm
to
placing the order first, my lord. I'm apprising it, my lord. My lord. In connection with this matter, my lord, this honorable court has passed this order where CD was called, my lord. So this is the similar matter, same matter, my lord. In the same FIR, I was also arrested on the same day, my lord. So my lord may kindly come to the forwarding report notice, forwarding report, my lord, when I was arrested on 26th.
Well,
That is on page 43, my lord.
yes.
My lord, this forwarding report was submitted on 27 June 2023, my lord, and on 26th I was arrested, my lord. My lord, may kindly see on page 44 why I was arrested, even though I have complied with the section 41 notice.
Yes.
Now, my lord, accused person, hopeful not to do. I am the accused person, my lord. Whereas a notice of section 41A CRPC was issued to Hopeful Longtudo on 29/5/2023, requiring his attendance on so-and-so date at 11 a.m. at Chalam Police Station. His examination, who had appeared before the undersigned on the date and time as specified in the said notice, and subsequently also on 26/6/2023 as required of him. Notwithstanding the above said accused person did not fulfill the condition required under section 41A, that he is made aware, and which circumstances are explained as under. So these are the 5 conditions which this is, my lord, that I have violated, and because of this reason I was arrested, my lord. Now, my lord, there is already a lapse of I am in custody for more than 65 days, my lord. Now, my lord, there is some urgency into this matter. So CD will be required to decide, my lord, into the matter.
Charge sheet has been filed.
No, my lord.
Lordship, let me have instruction. Another matter also is fixed on
on 5th.
On 5th.
Of 5th, my lord.
This will also.
Which CD was called for in that matter?
Yes, my lord. Only
This it will apply to the same.
yes. Only, my lord, may kindly come to page 29 of my petition.
Yes.
If my lord may kindly see the second para, my lord. This is the medical report of my wife, my lord, of the accused person. If my lord may kindly see more so the concerned doctor. I'll not read out in an open court, my lord. My lord may kindly consider this. And moreover, my lord, there was 4 people who was arrested on the same FIR on the same day, 26th, my lord. One of the accused person, my lord, has approached the Honorable Apex Court, and the Honorable Apex Court grant him bail, my lord. So that order also, I'll just place this order. It is there, my lord, in this order only that I have passed to my lord on the 3rd page. On the same day I was arrested, same facts, same FIR, my lord, same day I was forwarded. So, my lord, prayer at this stage will be, my lord, for calling for the CD, my lord. My lord may kindly examine the matter, my lord.
On 5th, your lordship.
On 5th, my lord.
Excuse me. Heard Mr. SDL, counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. N.D. Shulai, learned AAG, appearing for the state respondent. At the outset, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that on the basis of the FIR
FIR dated is 17
FIR dated
17/12/2022, my lord.
17/12/2022, wherewith the petitioner was, is he the petitioner or somebody has,
Is the brother of the petitioner, my lord.
wherewith the accused person, Mr.
Hopeful not to do, my lord.
Hopeful Nongturu, was arrested. Similar application was also filed. Similar application was also filed before this court by the co-accused in the case, which matter was taken cognizance of by this court, and the case diary was also called, fixing the listing the matter on
5th, my lord.
It is therefore prayed that this matter may also be taken up together on the same day, and the case diary may also be perused as regard this instant case. On prayer, may the same is allowed. this matter on 5th.
Hello. Oblige.
Item number 2.
You ready with this matter?
Lordship, which is that MHRC matter?
This matter, my lord, pertains to the challenge to the proceeding before Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. But here, we are not fully represented, the parties are not fully represented today, it seems.
Who's how many respondents are there?
There are about 7 respondents, my lord. I think 5 to 7, my learned senior is appearing.
No. 5, 6, 7, these are state, Lord.
State, that's what.
State, yes.
And 1 and 2, my lord, friend is appearing. So far as 3 and 4 is concerned, my lord, they've gone unrepresented for quite a long time.
Any
They were once.
any ex parte order passed against them?
No, my lord.
Have they received a notice?
They have received. In fact, they had appeared also on the
They have
earlier
appeared,
occasion.
Lordship, that was over a year ago.
No, but then
After
As Human Rights Commission, Lordship, our stand is that our jurisdiction is being undermined.
that is a different thing. Yeah,
If
we'll
you
come to that later.
Lordship.
First, we have to ensure that all the parties are represented.
Lordship.
Otherwise,
and my lord, number 3 and 4, number 3 especially is a complainant before the MHRC, my lord. It is her complaint.
whatever the case may be,
Yes,
they have to be represented.
absolutely.
And if they have appeared at some point of time and
They
disappeared,
had, my lord. I'll
they had
take a
appeared,
lordship too. There are a series of orders.
who is representing them? Are they together, 3 and 4, or separate?
My lord, 3 and 4 were together. One
Represented by same
counsel was
counsel?
appearing for both 3 and 4.
Who is the counsel?
One, Mr. Amri had appeared, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, the order sheet reflects, my lord, it's one Mr. I. Amri.
I Amri.
Who is already?
He's not so regular in this court, my lord.
Lordship, he was somebody with one of the NGOs into human rights, if I'm not wrong.
His order finds mention, his name finds mention in order dated 35/2022.
Very inhuman of him to leave you under lurch. Can you, Mr. Thapa, inform the...
I'll try and search for this counsel, because he's not from Shillong, it appears. Nonetheless, I'll make a... Because I had an occasion to have a word with him once after the court. So maybe my friend might be having his phone number, so I'll have a call with him. I'll talk to him, try to contact him.
You are also on the same side. If you can have some connection with the council.
Lordship, we are not on the same side, though we are respondents here. My stand in this whole, they can take fresh steps and file an appeal.
Fresh steps?
Because I do not know him personally, it is just that he had appeared once, Mr. Amri.
Yes,
Or else, we can send the issue again to respondent.
No, that would be another
notice
option.
to 3 and 4 again. Because had he been a local counsel here, my lord?
Oh, he's not a local counsel.
He's not a local counsel, my lord.
Before this matter is taken up for hearing, Mr. S. Thapal, counsel for the petitioner, has pointed out that the respondent number 3 and 4 respectively has failed to appear before this court on a number of occasions. For the interest of justice, to ensure that all the parties are duly represented, the Legal Counsel, the petitioner, on his submission, is directed to take fresh steps for issue of fresh steps for issue of notice upon the said respondent. Steps could also be taken by way of dusty. This is matter to 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Really costless item number 1.
Rejoinder affidavit has been filed on 28.
You have filed?
Yes, Lordship.
So we fix the matter for hearing.
No, Lordship.
Your Lordship,
as
we're
far as
supposed to
respondent
file
number two.
respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
Oh, you okay? Okay.
I pray for some time, Your Lordship, 2 weeks time.
You are appearing for respondent.
All the respondents, Your Lordship, we have filed an affidavit in opposition for respondent to 1, 3, and 4, Your Lordship. 2, we have not yet filed, Your Lordship. 1, 3, 4, and 5, Your Lordship, we have filed.
So 1, 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yet to file for respondent number 2.
How is respondent number 2 involved here?
It's a regulating body, NMC. Looks after the medical college and education all over India.
Oh, not filed.
It will be filing, Your Lordship. 2 weeks times may be granted.
Mr. S.D. Upadhyay, Legal Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the respondents number 1, 3, 4, and 5 have been filed. However, prayer has been made on behalf of the respondent number 2, seeking some more time to file the counter affidavit. On prayer made, the same is allowed. This is matter after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Item number 2.
In this, Lordship, I need further 3 weeks time, Lordship, to file the affidavit in reply to the affidavit of respondent 1 to 8.
What about this 9, 10, and 11?
9, 10, 11, the respondent has also yet to file the affidavit.
You have not yet filed.
No.
Not yet, Your Lordship.
Legal Counsel for the Mr. S.D. Upadhyay, Legal Counsel for the petitioner, has sought for some more time to file the rejoinder to the affidavit, to the counter affidavit filed by the respondents 1 to 8 respectively. However, as far as respondents 9, 10, and 11 respectively are concerned, prayer is made for some more time for the counter affidavit to be filed. On submission made, on prayer made, the same is allowed. This is matter to 3 weeks.
3 weeks will be better, Lordship.
3 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 3.
Now we are
Always in September.
September, almost September.
Because from petitioner side it was up, then he was responding to our argument, then matter.
We will do one
May
thing.
I suggest, Your Lordship? If I can suggest,
Yes.
Your Lordship. Lordship, all this matter, I'm there in item 11, 7 to 11, Your Lordship. I've gone to the file, Your Lordship. It's not a common fact or common question of law involved, Your Lordship. Let this matter be heard separately, Your Lordship, one by one.
That's what I said.
One by one, Your
That's what I
Lordship.
said. We'll hear it separately.
Yes.
Yes.
But what we do is we'll fix a date and a matter.
Yes,
Yes,
Your Lordship.
yes, yes, Lordship. Yes,
Yes.
Otherwise,
yes,
Yes,
Lordship.
Your Lordship. That can be done, Your Lordship.
so what do you suggest?
Lordship, if they then if that be the case, Your Lordship, if this matter can be today's one day.
31st.
After 2 weeks.
If we can come on 20th.
20th.
20th. If it's convenient, I don't know, it's
20th. Convenient.
Yes, Miss.
on 20th.
20th.
Be sure that we'll take it up on 20th.
Observation may be made, Your Lordship, or the matter may be fixed as a fixed item, Your Lordship.
It's only once it is there in this
Yes,
list, it's a fixed item. How can
Observation
it be unfixed? I don't understand this. The only thing is, if it is there on here in a cost list, if the serial number varies here and there, on accommodation by other council, the matter can be taken up. At the earliest or later or whatever the case. There's no question of fixed item.
Also, Your Lordship, these are part matters.
Yeah, 28 also.
But now it has to be fresh heard.
That's
Then let all these matter come on 20th, Your Lordship.
120.
On submission made by the parties to make an endeavor for the matter to be positively heard on the next date fix or on the next date. This matter is accordingly fixed on
20th, Your Lordship. 20th 9.
29 2023. So 20.
But oblige, Your Lordship.
This will be
Up to 11, Your Lordship.
from 5 to 11.
From 5 to
Same
11,
order.
Your Lordship.
Item number 18.
Yes, who's appearing here?
I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes.
We were informed that this matter will be adjourned. Like they
Who
will
is-
seek
Please,
time.
Your Lordship, due to some personal difficulty of Mr. Abraham, he could not come today. So kindly matter may be.
Then why at the mentioned hour you should have made a
Your
mention?
Lordship, I was busy in that other court on my leg in other court, so I could not come on time. That's why.
Ms. Shyam is there. She could have done
He
it.
also came late, Your Lordship. Suddenly court set and we came, but we could not mention, Your Lordship. Sorry, Your Lordship. I beg apology for this, Your Lordship.
On pre-made by the respondent. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 19.
The conducting counsel, Mr. Paul, is online, Your Lordship. So I pray that pass it over for today, Your Lordship.
Mr. D, you are appearing for
For the respondent, my lord, district council.
who's respondent 5?
It's private respondent, Your Lordship.
Private respondent is respondent number 5, but no one has appeared till now, my lord.
No one has appeared. Means
Who is appeared?
has he received he or she?
I don't think so they have appeared.
Yeah, team out.
D. Motho.
Has any notice gone to him?
Notice.
Appeared, Your Lordship.
Huh?
He has appeared.
Yes, Your Lordship. Mrs. D. Mauthor, Your Lordship.
And then disappeared.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Disappeared.
So,
This is a problem.
Let this matter come after 2 weeks, then my lord will finish it off.
You try to contact the council.
You call-
Otherwise, you have to take first steps.
Unless. But Deem author has not appeared for quite a long time now. Quite a long time, my lord. It will be proper, my lord, let them take a step. Fresh step on the respondent number 5. Because we have already filed our affidavit.
Okay.
The private respondent also they have filed affidavit.
When this matter was called up, the direct counsel for the petitioner has pointed out that the respondent number 5 has since been unrepresented for quite some time. The reason for the counsel for the respondent number 5 not appearing in court is not known. However, for such absence, the respondent number 5 should not suffer. Accordingly, the petitioner has submitted that may be allowed to take fresh steps for issue of notice. On premium, seems allowed that
This is after 2 weeks, my lord.
returnable within 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Item number 20.
May please, Your Lordship. My lord, as per the court direction for filing an application regarding the correction of the date of the judgment in order.
Have you filed?
I filed the application.
You have filed?
Yes, I filed the application.
You've given them copies?
Yes, I've already given
Yes,
the copy.
we have received, Your Lordship.
Mr. Khan, by filing means you have also filed the amended petition.
My lord, I have not filed the amended one. I have filed because since it's correction, if
because you see, you have to file amended because in the in the amended petition, all the the corrected version will appear.
My lord. So
and the court will go through that,
my lord,
on the basis of
my
that.
lord, my lord. So, my lord, what about the annexes? Not only
No, annexes are not required. I don't think any problem with them.
okay, Your Honor, then I can just file the bare copy of
Only bare
copy. So, my lord, I did.
In fact, you should have done it.
My lord, I was of the view that it would be correct in the body. I was of the view.
No, I don't think.
My lord, I'll file it, my lord.
See that
yes, it would not
practice
be
of cutting and
My lord.
it looks it can be suspect also.
Correct. So, well, I think I'll file it Monday. They just
1 week's time.
yes, yes, I'll just get it printed out. Get it.
Mr. A. Khan, counsel for the appellant, has submitted that an application for rectification, correction of certain mistakes made in the memo of appeal has been filed. The correction required inter alia involves the date of the impugned judgment and order. It is also submitted that as and when this application is allowed, amended memo of appeal may be allowed to be filed. Then the counsel for the respondent has no objection to the preamble. Accordingly, the said application for rectification is hereby allowed. This case number 1 of 2023 is disposed of. Company case on pre-made by the learned counsel for the appellant in view of the order of even date passed by this court in this case number 1 of 2023. The appellant is allowed to file the amended memo of appeal within 1 week
Well,
from today. List the matter thereafter.
well, I'll just file the bare memo appeal because so that the court can.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be required because all
Correct. Everything.
like you said, annexes are not.
Are not.
They are all correct.
Correct.
Fine.
Much obliged. Same with the other.
Oh, same.
Same.
That'll be
Yeah, analogous case.
21.
Same.